Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sonic X Shadow Generations on iOS. While the game isn't natively available, you can still experience its fast-paced action on your iPhone or iPad. We'll cover the most effective ways to stream the game directly to your device, ensuring you don't miss out on any of the excitement. Get ready to dive into the world of Sonic and Shadow, right from the palm of your hand. Many cloud gaming services allow you to stream high-end games to your iOS device. Platforms like Boosteroid and Shadow PC are excellent choices, as they support Sonic X Shadow Generations. You'll typically need a stable internet connection, ideally with speeds of at least 25 megabits per second, and a compatible Bluetooth controller for the best experience. Setting up is straightforward. First, pair a Bluetooth controller, such as an Xbox or PlayStation controller, with your iPhone or iPad. Next, download the specific cloud gaming app from the Apple App Store. Ensure your device is connected to a strong Wi-Fi network, preferably 5 GHz, to minimize lag. A wired internet connection for your router is also highly recommended for optimal performance. To truly enhance your gameplay, always play in an area with excellent Wi-Fi coverage. Closing other apps running in the background on your iOS device can significantly improve performance by freeing up system resources. Consider adjusting the game's graphical settings within the cloud service to a lower preset if you experience any stuttering, aiming for a consistent 60 frames per second. Enjoy your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.